Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE RedMagic 6R, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. As you can see, it's on the right side, so simply tap on it, and since it is highlighted in this yellowish color, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on a video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, so let's tap on it. And here, as you can see, on the very first position, we've got the video resolution, so let's tap. And here we've got plenty of settings actually to choose from. So we've got here the full HD option applied with 1080p, as you can see it is marked, but we can pick the HD, full HD, also with 60 frames per second, Ultra HD 4K with 60 frames per second, and Ultra HD 4K. What's more, we've got the 8K, and as you can see, we've got also the hint that it is recommended for outdoor use. So basically, all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So let's pretend I want this one, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, and it simply means that it has been immediately applied, and from now on, your device will use it to record videos. So basically that's all. This is how to change the video resolution in your ZTE RedMagic 6R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.